If you would like to check out the unboxing of the Super NES Classic, please stay tuned. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video by Ramy B. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Super NES Classic Edition. The other day I was at Best Buy shopping for another product and I saw this one behind the counter. I had forgotten that it's been out for I think a year now and I'd never actually seen one in person, so I looked at the box and decided to buy it. The cool thing about it, and really the driving point to get me to buy it, was that it came with all these games right here. And once you beat the original Star Fox, you unlock Star Fox 2 right here. And I figured for the price, it was $79.99. I was like, you can't beat it with all these games. It comes with two controllers right here. Unfortunately, they are wired, but it does give you that nostalgic feel. And I figured, you know what? I was a huge fan of the Nintendo and the Super Nintendo, so why not get it and try it out? Because of that, I figured I'd film an unboxing video. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. If you are watching, give this video a thumbs up and I'll do more unboxing videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. So here's the box right here. It's a very small box, as you can see, the size of my hand. It comes with the device right here. All the video games are built in, and then it has two controllers. Classic controller with the 4 buttons right here, and here's a list of all the games right here and the images of the games. And as you can see by this picture, it is a very small device, and it's really kind of like a handheld device if you think about it. But let's open it and see what's inside. So it has your typical Nintendo booklet. It looks like it has a list of all the games in here. Let's see. Oh, it's a giant it's a giant poster kind of thing. It lists a couple games: Super Mario World, Super Metroid, Super Mario Kart, Star Fox, F-Zero, and The Legend of Zelda, and it gives you a little description of each with some photos. That's kind of cool. And then the back is the startup instructions. Really, we need the English side, so let's hold it up. So the setup instructions look really easy. It looks like it has a wall plug with a USB port, and it plugs in through USB in the back, and then has a HDMI port to hook up to your TV, which is good because I know a lot of TVs now don't come with the analog or the, you know, the component plugs like they used to. So right here, these are the controllers, the two controllers, and they kind of have, I think these, I don't remember, were these the old school ports? Come on, focus. I don't know if these were the old school ports they used to use, but it's definitely not traditional, I guess. Oh wow, it does come with the HDMI cable. That's cool. A lot of devices usually don't, and the only thing is I don't think my TV has a third one. I can double check. If it does, it'll make things so much easier, but I don't think so. So there's that. The USB cable right here. It looks like it's a micro USB. Yep, it's a micro USB cable to plug in the device. And then just your typical wall adapter with the USB port. And then here is the Nintendo itself. See how little it is? So here's the device, real nice and slow. It has an eject button that doesn't do anything. It's just for the nostalgic purposes. Power is a purple switch, and then reset, you slide up. And I was looking at the controller port. It has the old controller ports here, but it doesn't match the cords on the controllers itself. But it has a flip up. It actually, the ports go in here, and then when you're not using it, it gives it that old school look, which I think is kind of cool. I mean, it's not really super necessary, but it does protect the ports from collecting dust, and it just gives it a nice classic feel. So it's really little. Let's plug one in just to see how long the cord is actually. See how it plugs right in, and yeah, and to pop it out, there's a, let me focus it on. Let me focus it. It's got 2 hinges right here, and you push them both so you can pull the controller out. So let me get this device set up on my TV and I'll show y'all what it looks like. Alright, so it is set up. Please excuse my cat, he's enjoying the wires, but it's set up. The reason I don't have it in the wall unit is because the cable is not that long. The cable barely reaches the couch. I have to lean off of the couch. So I need to leave it out there. If I put it in the wall unit, I literally have to sit like right there. Plus also, they say that you should not leave it plugged in when you're not using it. So I figured I'd leave it out like that, and then when I'm not using it, just put it in one of those drawers right there. But yeah, this is it. It's hooked up through the HDMI. I gotta get the language set up right. It even has the old school feel with like the blotched up letters and everything. So let me see. I don't know why it's set to Italian. Let me set it to English. And there's all the games. Contra, Donkey Kong, and everything is right in there. Being that it's HDMI, it's actually really clear. The games, I don't think the games look super HD, but I think they do look a little bit sharper. But yeah, this is it right here. So I'll show you all the games real quick. Street Fighter 2, Super Castlevania, Super Ghouls and Ghosts, Super Mario Kart, Super Mario RPG, Super Mario World, Super Metroid, Super Punch-Out, Legend of Zelda, Yoshi's Island, Contra 3, Donkey Kong, Earthbound, F-Zero, Final Fantasy, Kirby, another Kirby game, Mega Man, Secret of Mana, Star Fox, Star Fox 2, and then back to Street Fighter. So those are all the games. I have display settings, options, the language, legal notices, and manuals. And when you go down, oh, suspend point, you can set up when you turn a game off where it'll save, I guess. That is actually really cool, but then there's all the games at the bottom right here. Ignore Mowgli, he's been looking at it because the thing's moving, but you can tell it's still pixelated. However, it does run a lot smoother, so when you're playing, it actually looks really nice in person, especially in person. The camera doesn't really do it justice. So I'm about to play Super Mario World, and I'm gonna hit y'all with the outro. So thank you for tuning in to my SNES Classic unboxing. Hopefully this video was informative, showed you guys what was in the box, and maybe inspired you guys to go purchase one. If you're a fan of video games, I definitely recommend getting one. With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll try to record more unboxing videos as I purchase new products in the future. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. And once again, thank you very much to everyone who has tuned in, and I'm out.